Good afternoon, sir.
Today we are here to experiment the process of verifying if pure water conducts electricity or if impure water also conducts electricity. So here with me we have our beaker, then we have our cell, and we also have our bulb and the wire plus the switch. Then inside the beaker we have some mass to suspend the wires into the water. As you can see, the bulb is off. The bulb is off, and you can see water inside the beaker. Then the wire is being connected to the beaker, and also the wire is being connected to the cell or the battery. But the bulb did not on. This to show that this is a pure water, and pure water does not conduct electricity. Here with me we have our salts. Sodium chloride, we have it as our impurity to add to this water solution, H2O. So from our theory, we already know that when you add some impurities or you add the sodium chloride to the water, it will make the water become an electrolyte. That means you make the water become a good conductor of electricity. So let us try to add just a little salt to it to see if the water will become an electrolyte or start conducting electricity. Okay? As you can see, as we keep adding the salt, the bulb starts glowing. So that means the water is now a good conductor of electricity. The bulb is already on because we added salt to the water solution. So the water is no longer pure, it's an impure water, and it can conduct electricity. Thank you for watching this little experiment on verification of pure water, if it conducts electricity or if it does not conduct